So I tried to start the bike, but I failed with it, and by symptoms I understand that it turns great, but there is no fuel inside engine. So, and I don't hear the fuel pump when I start the bike. So what may be the problem there? Maybe the pump itself, or there's just no power to the pump. So to test this is Honda approved procedure from service manual. There is here on the left side of the bike under the tank, there is connector. You disconnect it and you measure the power between green and brown wire. And if you have this power when you turn on the key, so you have failed pump. But if you don't have the power, which was in my case, you have something else somewhere. And the whole system, the whole scheme of this wiring is that wire comes, this special wire, red and white, comes from battery, then comes to this fuse, and then comes to another side of the bike. And here we have two relay. This is engine cut relay and fuel cut relay. So the power comes first to engine cut relay and then to fuel cut relay and then goes to pump directly. I checked both relays, they worked great. And I had power here on the first engine cut relay. But it didn't engage when I turned on the key. So I suppose that there is something problem with triggering it, and it triggered by tip over sensor or bank angle sensor. And then I started to see where it is, and I understood it right, the problem right away, because in this bike it's located on the headlight, and I removed the headlight when I removed all the plastics. So my temporary solution was to put a wire between green and red and white wire here in this connector, and after this the bike started right away. It still works a little rough, not rough, the revs on idling is too high, but I'm going to fine-tune this. But the bike starts, and it's a great news.